Hello, welcome to another Crochet Road video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make a crochet cord. This has many names. It's called either Romanian Point Lace Cord or Romanian Braid, Romanian Cord. It's also called sometimes Macrame Cord or Crochet Ribbon. It's very popular in Irish lace and in Romanian point lace, but for our purposes, I'm going to use it to show you how you can use it in your crochet work. So you can use it for a very strong drawstring for a bag. It can be used with thicker yarn for a belt. It can be used for necklaces, bracelets, different things like straps. It only has a tiny bit of stretch, a lot less stretch than a regular crochet cord made of single crochet or chain. So I really love this. I was so excited when I discovered it, and I suggest you work a little loosely, especially when you're first starting to learn this technique, and perhaps go up a 0.5 millimeter to 1 millimeter hook size. So this is, I'm showing you quite a fine finished product, but I'm going to make it in a thicker yarn to show you how that's done. So first of all, start with a slip knot on your hook and chain 2, 1, 2. Insert your hook into the second chain from your hook, so the first chain you made. Draw up a loop and single crochet. Now on the side of that single crochet you've just made, you will turn clockwise for each row making this cord. So on the side of that stitch you've just made, you'll see the V that you've just made with that stitch points to where you need to place your hook next. This little side bar doesn't really have a technical name, but we'll just call it a side loop or a side bar. So you want to place your hook under that for this first row. It's actually, or second row I guess it is technically, it's 1 bar you're placing it under. Draw up a loop and make a single crochet. Now for this third row and every row after this, again turn your work clockwise if you're right-handed, anti-clockwise if you're left-handed. And you'll see again the V you've made with your single crochet stitch is pointing to the now 2 side loops that you need to place your hook back into to make the next stitch. So we go under, I use my fingernail if I need to help, under those 2 loops, pull up a loop, make a single crochet, and again turn clockwise. You see where your V is pointing, and that's all there is to it. Every single stitch you make, you turn your work, and every time, every row from now on, you're actually going to be going under those 2 loops, pull up a loop and make a single crochet. And that makes a beautiful, reversible, very versatile cord. So thanks for watching. I hope you have fun crocheting this cord. Take your time. It takes a little bit of practice to get this one. Bye.